What is up, guys? Nash here from MBR Cubers, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve the 2x2 mirror blocks. So if you're wondering what the 2x2 mirror blocks is, it's exactly like a 2x2, except it shape-shifts. And the purpose is to put back into cubic form. And as you can see, they're all the same stickers, and it is the same as a 2x2, but just with a bit of added difficulty. So let's scramble. So I've gotten our scrambled puzzle, and your first step is to solve the first layer of your cube, which is pretty much the exact way of how you solve it like a 2x2. So, but except you're like looking for tears. Like in this case, there was this guy here, and he's this guy's size. So what I like to do is I like to solve the thicker layer first, which is, you know, it's correctly placed when you have that, and then you know that is solved. In this case, you got this one, which you can easily slide down. Now you got 3 solved, and then this one, this guy obviously can't fit. And the only one else that can fit is this one, which you can just simply place in, and you got your first layer. Now on to OLL. This first one is a Soon. This does not look like a Soon, but a way to recognize if it is you bring your solved piece to here, and it's just an easy way of how to get to recognize your OLL algorithm. In this case, how to tell that it is a Soon is you see that this piece is the taller, flatter end of your piece, kind of like this one, not this one, but it's right beside your solved piece, and you just do your OLL Soon algorithm, which is R, U, R, I, U, R, U2, R, I. And that solves your Soon. The next case is a anti-Soon, which is exactly like a Soon, where you take your solved piece and you bring it to the correct place. But how you can tell this one is because your piece, your flatter end, which is supposedly your yellow piece, is here. And how you do this is just put that to the back, and you do your anti-Soon algorithm, which is R, U2, RI, UI, R, UI, RI, and that solves that OLL case. Your next case is double headlights, which in how you can tell that it is this algorithm is you have no solved pieces, and they are flat across here, as in your headlights facing towards you, and your other headlights facing back. And this algorithm is the same as your 2x2 algorithm, which is R, U2, RI, UI, R, U, RI, UI, R, UI, RI. And that is how you solve that OLL algorithm case for mirror blocks. So your next algorithm is only singular headlights, and you're going to hold it like this, and it's the same as your 2x2 algorithm, which is front, R, U, R, I, U, I, front I, and it solves that OLL case. Your next algorithm is where you have 2 solved, one facing you, which is like on your 2x2, and one facing backwards. The algorithm is R, U, R, I, U, I, R, I, front, R, front I. And that is how you solve that case. It's a free game, so like that. This next algorithm is just the opposite of the one before, and how you solve it is you have your yellow piece. So I'll just show you on the 2x2, where you have your yellow piece facing you. You have your yellow, and your yellow here. And this algorithm is literally the opposite of the other one. So it is front, RI, front I, R, U, R, UI, RI. Now, let's go on to your next algorithm is this one where you have headlights and your two pieces across from each other. And this algorithm is front, double sexy move, front high, and that is how you solve that algorithm. In PLL, there are two cases, and in this case is where you have this algorithm, which is, I just need to get it to it. So it's this algorithm where you have your two solved yellow pieces, which you can do is you can put it in, it's a flat surface where you have these two are solved, and the other two are not solved, which this algorithm is R, front, RI, front, RI, back to R, front I, RI, back to R2, and that is how you solve it. Your next algorithm is where you have no pairs, kind of like on your 2x2, where you have opposite, 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 opposite. And this algorithm is just double of the first one, so I'm just going to do it quickly here. And then when you do the first one, you just spin the solved pair to the back, and just do the algorithm again. And that is how you solve the 2x2 mirror blocks.